Sunday the 29th of November. I don't actually think I've ever seen Padstow this quiet. So I'm pretty sure even normally in sort of November time in a normal year, Padstow's still fairly busy, but it's actually quite nice today. You can actually have a walk around. None of the shops are open, obviously, and all the pubs are shut, but it's quite nice. So for those of you that have never been to Padstow, I can't imagine there's actually many people left in the world, or at least in the UK, that haven't been to Padstow. But it's pretty much made up of Rick Stein restaurants and St Austell Brewery pubs. And there's lots of lovely little shops as well. And across the water you've got Rock, which is the home to Sharp's Brewery, where you can get Doom Bar, Sharp's Atlantic, that sort of beer. So that's Rock there. You can see it in the distance, and this sort of stretch of sand here is the Doom Bar. Correct me if I'm wrong, it might not actually be that bit that's the Doom Bar, it might be further down, but
I think it is further down.
Kate thinks it's further down. Anyway, I think it's about time I got the drone in the air. So here is Padstow from the air. So there's recently been an update to the DJI Fly app, and I just took the drone up and it literally just started drifting. Like probably about 11 satellites locked, and it was still going all over the place. So there isn't going to be a huge amount of drone footage in today's video, unfortunately. Okay, should we walk up on the coaster path up there?
Yeah, sounds good.
There's something beautiful about up here. There's like a really sort of weird sort of haze going on today, but it's actually a very warm day. Kate obviously doesn't want to sit with me today. What are you doing down here? So this may be my final last words, but I think I'm going to try the drone again. Actually flew fine that time. Kate, do you want to go get some food now?
Yeah, I'm starving.
Kate, what do you want for dinner, lunch?
I don't know. What do you want?
Pasty.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty.
Maybe I spoke too early about it being quiet because it was still morning, whereas now it's lunchtime. There's quite a few more people out. We are heading to get pasties. Kate wanted like a healthier lunch, but the queue's massive outside the place, so pasties win. Where's the pasty shop?
Startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
They might have some more in the oven. Hello. You got any pasties at all? 15, yeah? Okay, cool. We'll come back. Cheers.
Thank you.
There's something in the air. sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dream
Hot.
me breezy, we go.
Gonna eat in the car because we're getting dive bombed.
Easy, easy on our tiptoe.
I've got it on my mouth.
You've got some on the top though.
I think we're gonna end the video there. That was Padstow in November on a sunny day. Kate, say something interesting to end the video.
In COVID.